been like the experience of a lifetime. This is just something that I'll never forget, that I'll tell my grandkids someday, and it's just a shame that it's over so soon.
This is the longest amount of time I've actually talked to attractive girls. Usually I just assume they're not interested in me or nothing else. Just because somebody is smart doesn't mean that they're pathetic and have no chance with women.
Joe is my buddy, and I hope that when he sees a girl walk by who's perfectly manicured and her hair's done perfect and she's dressed all cute, I hope he doesn't think, wow, she's really pretty, I can't talk to her. You know, I hope that he'll realize what a great guy he is.
I think working with Erica, she was more modest about her intelligence beforehand, and then after I started working with her, I think she'll be a little bit more confident in the future because she's a smart girl, and I hope that she'll think about that and remember that.
I just realized like how superficial girls that look like us can treat guys who look like some of them. All these guys are like some of the greatest guys I've ever met. Beauty is so much more than skin deep, and it took this for me to realize that.